to, and I just wanted to do a quick video to talk to you about my upcoming workshop at the SharePoint Conference North America. I'm really excited to have a full day workshop only for SharePoint admins. In this workshop, we're really going to talk about SharePoint Server 2019, how to architect your farm, best practices to set it up, not only installation and configuration, but also how to optimize it from the start up to make sure your users are super happy. We're also going to look at hybrid scenarios. So if you want to set up a hybrid cloud search, hybrid content types, hybrid taxonomy, hybrid OneDrive for business, and all of those things, as well as how to migrate using Microsoft tools. This workshop will really be for SharePoint administrators, but also if you want to get Microsoft certified, it will also cover all of the objectives from the MS 301 exam, which is a required exam in the Microsoft Certified Teamwork Administrator Associate certification. So this is it. I really hope I'm going to see you in Vegas at the SharePoint Conference North America. Don't forget to use the code VLAD when you register. So that's VLAD to save an extra $50 off your registration. And I hope to see you in Vegas. Thank you.